We all have that little drawer, you know the one, filled with seemingly ancient tech, and somewhere in that drawer, amidst the tangled headphones and retired charging cables, you'll probably find a handful of USB flash drives. Now we usually think of these guys as simple storage devices, good for transferring a file or two, but the truth is, they're capable of so much more. So today we're diving deep, exploring 5 unique ways you can transform your trusty USB flash drive from a basic storage solution into a powerful tech tool. Alright, let's kick things off with probably the most mind-blowing use case: running an entire operating system directly from your USB drive. Yeah, you heard that right. No more being tied down to a single computer or worrying about messing up your main system. We're talking about having a fully functional OS in your pocket, ready to go whenever, wherever. First things first, you'll need to choose your OS. Now, if you're all about privacy and anonymity, Tails is a fantastic option. It routes all your internet traffic through the Tor network, leaving no trace behind. For a more general-purpose OS, Ubuntu is incredibly user-friendly and widely compatible. And if you're deeply embedded in the Windows ecosystem, Windows To Go lets you carry a portable version of Windows with you. Once you've got your OS picked out, you'll need a tool to create a bootable USB drive. Rufus is a personal favorite. It's free, open source, and ridiculously easy to use. UNetbootin and Balena Etcher are also solid choices, each with its own set of features. Basically, these tools take the OS image file and burn it onto your USB drive, making it bootable. Now the beauty of this setup is that you can literally plug your USB drive into almost any computer, boot from it, usually by pressing F12 or a similar key during startup, and boom, you're running your own personalized operating system. It's perfect for using public computers securely, troubleshooting a friend's computer without installing anything, or even just having a backup OS in case your main one crashes. Seriously, having a portable OS on a USB drive is like having a digital Swiss Army knife in your pocket. It's incredibly versatile and can get you out of a bind in a pinch. Okay, let's face it, we've all been there, that heart-stopping moment when your computer throws a tantrum and refuses to boot up. But fear not, because your trusty USB drive can transform into a digital lifesaver, a bootable recovery drive. Think of it as a tech emergency kit, always ready to resuscitate your ailing computer. Now there are a few different routes you can take here. For a comprehensive toolkit, Hiren's Boot CD PE is an absolute legend. It's packed with diagnostic tools, partitioning software, data recovery utilities, and even a whole bunch of system repair options. Ultimate Boot CD is another popular choice, known for its wide hardware compatibility and extensive troubleshooting capabilities. If you're rocking a Windows machine, you can also create a dedicated Windows recovery drive. This handy tool lets you access advanced startup options, repair startup issues, restore your system from a previous backup, and even reset your PC completely. And you know the drill, you'll likely need a trusty tool like Rufus to make your USB drive bootable. Just download the recovery tool of your choice, follow the instructions, and you'll have a bootable rescue disk ready to go. So the next time your computer decides to play dead, don't panic. Grab your USB recovery drive, boot from it, and let those powerful tools work their magic. You'll be back up and running in no time. Alright, let's shift gears a bit and talk about convenience. Imagine having all your essential software, your favorite browser, your go-to office suite, your must-have photo editor, all neatly packaged and ready to go on your USB drive. Well, guess what? You totally can. There are 2 main contenders in the portable apps arena. First up, we've got PortableApps.com platform. This nifty little platform lets you create a customized portable software suite on your USB drive. It's like having a personalized app store that you carry around with you. Then there's LibreKey, another fantastic option that offers a curated selection of portable apps, all neatly organized into categories. It's super user-friendly, especially if you're just getting started with portable apps. No matter which platform you choose, the beauty of portable apps is that they don't require any installation. You just plug in your USB drive, launch the app, and you're good to go. This is a game changer if you're constantly switching between computers at school, at work, at the library. You can have all your familiar tools and settings without having to install anything or mess with someone else's system. Okay, let's get serious for a second and talk security. In a world of data breaches and password fatigue, protecting our digital lives has never been more crucial. And guess what? Your USB drive can actually become a physical key to your digital kingdom. We're talking about using your USB drive as a hardware security key. Now, there are some dedicated hardware keys out there like YubiKey, which are awesome. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, your trusty USB drive can get the job done. There are a few different software options to choose from. USB Raptor is a popular choice, offering both free and paid versions with varying levels of security. Rohos Logan Key is another solid option that integrates seamlessly with Windows. The basic idea is that you use this software to configure your USB drive as a key to lock and unlock your computer. When the USB drive is plugged in, your computer unlocks. When it's removed, your computer locks down tight. No more relying on easily guessable passwords or worrying about someone snooping around when you step away from your computer. But wait, there's more. You can take this security game to the next level by using your USB drive for two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection to your online accounts like your email, social media, or even your bank. Alright, for our final act of USB wizardry, we're stepping into the realm of web development. That's right, you can actually turn your little USB drive into a portable web server. This is seriously next level stuff. Now before you start picturing a massive server rack crammed onto a tiny USB drive, let's clarify. We're talking about setting up a lightweight local development environment. Think of it as a personal testing ground for your web projects. To get started, you'll need a server software package. XAMPP is a popular cross-platform option that includes everything you need: Apache, MariaDB, and PHP. WAMP for Windows and MAMP for Mac are also solid choices. Once you've got your server software installed on your USB drive, you can start creating databases, writing PHP scripts, and basically building out the back end of a website. It's like having a mini data center in your pocket. This is a game changer for web developers who want to work on projects on the go, or showcase their work without needing a live internet connection. So there you have it, folks. 5 mind-blowing ways to transform your humble USB flash drive into a tech powerhouse. From running a full-fledged operating system to creating a portable web server, the possibilities are seriously endless. And the best part? Most of these solutions are completely free or require just a little bit of software magic. So go forth, experiment, and unlock the hidden potential of those little storage devices lurking in your drawers. Now I know I've only scratched the surface here. I'm sure you creative minds out there have even more innovative ways to use a USB drive. So hit me with your best shot in the comments below. Let's turn this into a USB hackathon. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and insights. And let me know in the comments below.